What is up, guys? This is Josh with Lead and Iron. I got this video going. I don't know if you guys saw my short, but this is the NPET HS10-02, and these were about $10 to $20. Like, I think right now they're 20 bucks, but I got them like there was like a discount going on with a coupon, and I got them for like $10. So I wanted to know if it was worth, even if it was $20, if these are worth, you know, saving potentially 30 to maybe like 100 bucks and still receiving the same type of quality, which I know it probably won't be like on par with like HyperX or something, but for 10 to 20 bucks, I mean, if these are good enough, why not? So we're gonna unbox it. They came in the box like this. I blurred everything out. Didn't have like an envelope package or anything. It was literally just this box. And the headphones. Some paperwork. That's it, huh? Okay. So, comes with a splitter. So for your microphone and your sound. And instruction booklet. So these are said to be good for like your PS4, PS5, Xbox, and PC. And it comes with happy, not happy cards, which is kind of weird. I guess if you're happy with them, you tell them, and if you're not happy with them, you tell them. And this instruction booklet. So for using it on your PC, you would use the splitter plus the USB. Let's take a look at these real quick. Take these out, set it aside, and I can already tell you that the line is braided, which is a good thing. Wow, they really did not. They did not skimp on the packaging and whatnot, right? And it comes with a USB, so this must be power for the LEDs, I'm guessing, because it does not look like a data line. Yeah, so this is for the LEDs that light up around here, and this either is going to plug into your 3.5 millimeter output on your phone or tablet or whatever, or your controller, or it's going to go on here and plug into the back of your motherboard, which is how I'm going to use it to see, one, how this microphone sounds like, and two, how these headphones sounds like. So let's look at these. They're pretty flexible. They do feel kind of plasticky, I'm not gonna lie. It has like a brushed aluminum look. They do feel plasticky, which is okay. I just want you guys to know that they don't feel premium. So I guess for 10 or 20 bucks, you're not really going to get that premium feel, but they're pretty flexible. It has a nice, pretty air light cushion. They're not super heavy, so if you game for a while, you'll be able to not feel them, I guess. Oh, that's pretty sturdy. Okay, these are pretty sturdy. So it doesn't look like they're going to like undo themselves and fall off your head. And the microphone is adjustable. Okay, and it has some clicks on it, so you can hear it. You can click it into place, and it's not. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Now let's see what they feel like when you put them on. Okay, it doesn't feel like I have like a heavy set of headphones on, which is fine. That's nice. But one thing I don't like is this thing is kind of short. I wish it was a little longer. Unless I have these on backwards, but no, I don't. Alright, so it feels like, you know, you can put it to your nose, and we all got that one that just breathes into the microphone. But I guess it might be long enough. We don't know. So wait, putting these on, they don't feel heavy. I mean, you can tell you have something on. And a lot of people are like, oh, I didn't feel them. You feel them. Alright. So it looks like it has volume control on here, and it looks like a microphone on and off on here as well. So we can turn up or down our volume and shut on off our microphone. All connected to these. At least this is almost the same length. So I'm going to go ahead and check these out. We'll play. I don't know if I want to do PS4 or if I want to go do like Valorant. But we'll put these on because I do have like the subwoofers and stuff connected to the back of my PC right now. So I might just do sound. I'll have to use a splitter. And I'll plug this into my controller. Okay, there we go. So I'll plug this into my controller and then plug in my my mic to the iPhone. So let me go get set up and we'll be right back. Thank you. All right, what is up, y'all? I just wanted to see what this microphone sounded like. I tried playing on the PS4, but the PS4 controller wouldn't let me connect. I don't know why. I don't know if I was using the wrong cord. I just tried using this cord and it didn't work. The only thing, there's another gripe I don't like is that this thing is so short. The little splitter, so short. So anyway, hopefully it's recording this from this microphone and you're able to hear. And then let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Hey, what is up, guys? I'm coming back to you with this video that I'm doing on these headphones. I'm going to play a little Valorant. I'll come back and recap what I'm saying during the game. That way you guys have a good idea of like real gameplay and stuff. So I'm going to play one of my favorite games, Valorant, and see how it goes. Alright, so first impressions so far. Just set this title screen. They sound pretty good. They're not super bassy, but they have enough bass like you'd want to hear. I'm going to play a little, how about deathmatch? I'm still a recruit, so just to give you an idea. Keyboard and mouse is also a different way to play. A little strange, but kind of rewarding, kind of cool. They sound pretty good so far. I'm kind of tripping out how good they sound. Turn it all the way down. Turn all the way up. They sound good. Well, I'm just at the loading screen, so I'm in queue waiting for a match to come out. I gotta warn you guys, you do kind of suck sometimes. Oh yeah, okay, these sound good. They actually sound pretty good. That's me right here. This is probably my least favorite level. Oh my god. These people with the sniper rifles really get really good with this. Whew! Ah, I'm on reloading. This is just warm up, mind you. Ah, fucker. I mean, darn it. I can hear the directions of these gunfire and stuff, which is actually really cool. Ah, and I heard them behind me. So it's directional, which is awesome. I knew he was coming around the corner because I heard his footsteps. So it doesn't help that I suck, but... But you can hear footsteps and stuff remarkably clear. This is, that's not bad. It's not a bad set of headphones. Not a bad $10 I spent. So the only thing I don't like is this wire. It kind of gets in the way. For the 10, even the $20, if you spend $20, it's still not a bad set of headphones. Not bad at all. Sounds really good. I can hear the footsteps like in the direction that they're at. It's pretty clear. For real? Jesus Christ. I'm not good enough to be one of those snipers. Those two little steps I heard, it was too late. And it's kind of funny. You can hear like the direction they're coming from. I was just trying to know where they're going to be at. That's the hard part. Ah, ha, ha. Right, so that's... Yeah. Okay, I know I had him. God damn it. Right. So you can actually hear it pretty good. You hear the direction, you hear where the gunfire is coming from. You actually hear a lot of things. Alright, so overall, these little guys for 10, 20 bucks, man, this really surprised me. These really surprised me. I'm not even, like, I'm in shock how good they sounded. I'm in shock how good the mic sounded. I'm in shock how good, like, the speaker sounded on your headset. It just, you could feel like you're more into the game. I did have that hiccup with my PS4 controller, but that PS4 controller is kind of old, so I don't know if that was the issue. But I'm telling you, like, playing Valorant, even though I sucked, I'm really surprised how good these sounded. Like, you can hear the direction of the footsteps, the direction of the shot, and hear them coming, and then you're able to react a little bit faster, even though I'm not super great with keyboard and mouse yet. But it was actually more, it felt like you were more into the game compared to just having like a set of monitors and a subwoofer. You're more in tune to what's happening around you, and that is something that you're looking for in a gaming headset, I would think. Great quality sound, direction, like you can tell which direction things are coming from, and it would switch. So you'd hear somebody on your right side and then somebody walking on your left side, and it was just so crystal clear that it really shocked me. Like, I wanted to keep playing instead of finishing this video. But NPET HS10-02, these are the models. I currently saw them. I'll link them in the description below. That way you really don't have to look for them. They do come in blue, I think, and then red. And you saw the LEDs. Like, I could live without those, but I mean, if your kid's getting into gaming or something, and you don't want to spend 150 bucks, and they give them the LED lights and stuff, I mean, I'm really shocked with the sound. Like, you normally, when you pay 10, 15, 20 bucks for gaming stuff, sure, they don't feel like the quality that, let's say, HyperX has or something, but the sound and the microphone sound and the overall experience was very good. I mean, I'm telling you, it's worth the $20 gamble. You'll be surprised. Like I said, they're not like the top of the line $150 type model. If you're gaming on a budget and you have a set budget build, they'll fit well in it, and they will actually sound very good. They're not great for like listening to music and stuff, because I did try that on my iPhone and I was like, ooh. But for gaming and stuff like that, like when I first heard the intro screen, the cue screen, and I can hear the music, I was like, wow, this actually might be a good experience. And it very much was. It was a very good experience. The only gripe I have, I was going to say, I think these will be my gaming headset, which they probably will be, but I'm not a fan of the wire getting in the way. So I don't like it hanging and then you move and you kind of tug on it. I don't like that. So that's where wireless, like I would want more like a wireless headset. But you do tend to lose maybe sound quality with wireless, like I know it happens with like headphones. But I'm telling you, $20 well spent. I will link these in the description below. And overall, I would probably give these like an 8. Budget wise, a 10, because they're not very expensive. Feel of quality, maybe 6, but there's going to be some takeaways when you get into like the real budget and lower end stuff, but I would rather have, like these have, the good quality sound, the good quality mic, and then they skimp on like the feel. I didn't feel like they were too heavy on my head. They didn't pinch my ears to the side of my head. They were pretty comfortable, I would say. The feel of them, when you pull them out, you can tell that they're like $20 headphones, maybe less. But don't let just the feel of them scare you away, because the quality sound that came out of it was very surprising. I really hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing this. It was a little more difficult to film myself playing. I thought that was a little, I'll have to work on that a little bit. NPET headphones, 2 thumbs up. Quality, sound quality, amazing. Mic quality, pretty amazing. Like I said, they just came in this box. Here's my label on the back. And I don't mind. You know, they don't have to have like the best packaging or whatever. I could care less about that stuff. What I care about is actually the product that I'm using, and using that was actually, I liked it. I liked the experience I had. You know, there was a couple YouTube videos I saw on them, and I was pretty, I was on the fence, because I was like, I don't understand how someone can pay $10 to $20 and say they had a great experience, because normally we equate quality to price tag. But when I got mine and I just used them, I was really shocked. Like, they sound great. So I really hope you guys like this type of content. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you in any way. And again, I gotta go because my back hurts.